5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready?
That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. They're packed one side, making the batsman go for shots like those on the other. Excellent captaincy. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. That's hit straight to the fielder. Fielder placed at point. Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's a very loose shot at this stage of the game. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. Introduced from the other end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Oh, that's huge. It's disappeared way into the stands. That was an absolute gift for the batsman, and he cashed in. Here we go. Wonder where the next one is going to fly. Oh, he picked up that nicely. Beautifully picked up all the way. He seems to have carried his form from the last match. He has hammered that, and that sails into the crowd for a 6. Things are really heating up, and he's getting at the bowler, letting him know. Oh, he has got a wide range of shots. What is he going to do next? Hit on the body. It's a nasty delivery. There is a fielder at cover. He is unlucky there, and once again hits straight to the fielder. The bowler is bowling from his favorite end. That's hit straight to the... Oh, didn't have a clue about that one. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. That is huge beat. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Well, he has got the license to go here. Crowd is going crazy. In the air, this is 6. It's a magnificent strike. Outstanding shot. It's a bigger boundary there. This is scintillating batting. Wonder where the next one is going. Oh, that must have really hurt. Batsman can't find the gap. Pacer being brought back. Fielding team can now have more than 2 fielders outside the inner circle. They are calling for 2. That's poor running between the wickets. There's a fielder at extra cover. Plays and misses. He should look to get his eye in before trying something extravagant. Got the elevation right, but he couldn't time it too well. That is a good catch in the end. Batsman getting ready to face his first ball. Unable to break free. Missed that completely. Would have been frustrating having missed out on the last one. He is unlucky there and once again hit straight to the fielder. He is arguably one of the best hitters in world cricket. That has made some serious damage. Introduced from the other end. The bowler will have to be extra careful of the line he bowls to this field. Oh, that was a seriously quick ball. Deep point in place. That's hit straight to the fielder. He has been ruthless against the fast bowlers in this series. Batsman can't find the gap. It's straight to the fielder. It will be interesting to see where the bowler will test the batsman with the short one. Great shot! He has dispatched that, and the fielder can only watch it land. Crowd going mad here. That is huge appeal. Bowler thinks he's got the batsman, but the umpire thinks otherwise. Trying something extravagant. That is in the air and in the gap as well. Goes for 4. Change in bowling here. Spinner into the attack now. Deep point in place. That's 6. He picked up the length very early. Can he do it again? He read the length perfectly. That is a beautiful 6. Last match. That's a nasty delivery. Must have hurt. He has been ruthless against the spinners in this series. That's gone high in the air. And that's gonna clear the boundary for 6. Than watching him bat at his best. And he helps himself to a 6. Next one is going to fly. Glorious, absolutely glorious shot. And it runs. He has picked up the length on that so early.